Module 11, Lesson 2, Multi-tenant switching. One account can belong to several workspaces, an agency operator with a workspace per client, a consultant in their own sandbox, plus a customer's production tenant. Your identity is global. Your memberships decide what you can enter. The tenant switcher lives in the top bar. With one membership, it's just a label. With several, it becomes a drop-down. Open it and your workspaces are listed. Pick one and the whole product rescopes. Dashboard, subscribers, campaigns, settings, everything now belongs to the selected workspace. The wall between workspaces is the product's deepest rule. Every query, every page, every API call is scoped to the active tenant. Nothing leaks across, not subscribers, not content, not stats. An agency operator can work 10 clients from one login, knowing client A's data cannot appear in client B's view ever. Your role is per membership, not global. Admin in your own sandbox, member in a client's production workspace, viewer somewhere else. The product rereads your role on every switch, so what you can do always matches the workspace you're standing in. 2 habits for multi-workspace operators. Check the switcher label before any destructive action. Sending a test blast to the wrong client is a bad morning. And use the workspace brand colors from Module 1 as a visual cue. Distinct palettes per client make the wrong workspace mistake nearly impossible. Final lesson of the course, white label in depth, running simple marketing invisibly under your own brand for your own customers. See you there.